Of course, there's the stereotypical scientist with the crazy hair and the pocket protectors, but there's a lot more behind science than just, the stereotypical mad scientist.
From grammar school all the way through graduate school, I had very significant signposts that led me into the science arena. And I feel very blessed and thankful that I had those signposts.
It's been my experience with a lot of the technologies that we've developed that it's not so much that you had some incredibly insightful idea. It really comes from a problem that you can't solve, and it's a natural solution.
One of the best things about Soluble Therapeutics was that all of those factors were in place. One, my background in molecular biology and having run other biotech companies before made me very, very comfortable with the HSC technology. I completely understood the science behind it, and I thought, at least at the time, where it would end up in the bioscience industry.
We began then to visualize an instrument that would allow pharmaceutical companies to utilize and be able to find and predict the best formulations for their proteins.
As important, if not more important, were the founders, Larry and Bill, and their scientific background. There's a tremendous amount of scientific background and success there that led me to believe that the technology that they developed would also be as successful as they are. And of course, that's definitely panned out. Also, they wanted to be very active in the development or continued development and commercialization of the technology, which as founders, that's incredibly important to make sure that you have the original developers on board with you as you move forward.
I get excited, believe it or not, where I can't sleep at night when something that I've worked on for years and years finally comes to fruition. That means more to me, I think, than money, believe it or not. I know money's important. Everyone wants to make a good living, but what makes me get up in the morning and not come to work, come to have fun, is the excitement of coming up with a new discovery.
The nearly 3 decades of collaboration between Larry and myself really has been the cornerstone for the foundation of this company.